Good morning from Scotland. We woke up quite early today. We wanted to see if we could catch some good lights, but as Scotland often is, it was totally grey and cloudy, so we just made the best out of it. And I've been down by the ocean here to capture some of the wildlife and boats going in and out in the early hours. So we'll spend a weekend here. We'll drive to Isle of Skye, and we have rented this guy. Sadly, it's not our own camper, but this will make for a nice ride too, I think. And this morning it was pretty cold. We got up, put on the diesel heater, which is nice. We don't have that in our own truck, so now we realize how convenient that is. Yeah, we're ready to hit the road, and there are a few castles we hope to see today as we make our way to Isle of Skye, because it's quite a long drive. So, no time to waste. Let's go! So we're stopped for lunch. We're gonna make some coffee, and what we always tend to do when we go out for a trip is that we bring this guy. This is the AeroPress, and it's very convenient for easily making coffee, no matter how, like, what kind of equipment you have at hand. So this is really small and doesn't take much space in your luggage, and you only need to bring a few filters, and of course I bring my own coffee because I'm a coffee nerd and I like it fresh. I grinded it before we went from home. So this van came with a nice little kettle, so we're heating the water now, and I'll show you how to make some good coffee on the road using the AeroPress. And just like that, you have yourself a really good cup of coffee. Much better than the instant thing somebody calls coffee. I don't really like it, so. But anyway, I think you should take your time when you're on the road, just to stress down, make yourself some really quality drinks, and yeah, now we're gonna slice some cake and have for a cheeky little lunch. So, cheers! So the last place we stopped at was a failure, so we had to make sure the next one was a bit better. And I think we managed to do just that.
Pretty cool, right?
That's a nice view.
You know that coffee we talked about earlier? How about enjoying it with this view as well?
Tomorrow the weather is going to be really bad. It's like...
I don't even want to talk about it.
Yeah, they have sent out warnings about the amount of rain it's gonna pour down. So this is, yeah, there's nothing to do about it. So we have to find out how to cope with the rain. And one of the things you could do is just to try to see all the places you want to see before that time. So, oh, you can see in the horizon over there. That looks like rain. So I think we should just go check out the castle real quick, and then we have to make some way towards Isle of Skye, because we're not there quite yet. So
I vote to spend the entire day tomorrow in the car. We can chill it back here. We have our iPad. Pretty decent, I think.
It seems like the rain already hit us.
We didn't bring our rain jacket because it didn't rain, but stupid us, we're in Scotland, so it changes by the minute here.
Ugh.
So we're soaked, everything. This is, here's the color it's supposed to be.
That's better. Now we're in a non-rainy spot, and we have made some simple lunch. Just fried some potato
and cheese something.
Yeah, first time trying it, so hopefully it's gonna be nice. But at least it's warm and dry in here, and yeah, the camper van is cozy. We made sure to put the diesel heater on.
Well, that was a really good idea.
Before we went out, so yeah, we're starting to realize that our van needs a heater.
It was really nice and warm coming back in here. Just got back in the car. We found this really beautiful spot by the shore, but we can't stay here because it's signed everywhere that it's not allowed to stay over the night. So it's getting really dark really fast, so I think we just need to get going to find a spot for the night. I mean, look at this.
How beautiful is this place? And the road's going down here, so windy and steep, and there's just like a house here and a house there.
I think.
Oh.
I think that's bird shit. I climbed a stone and I touched something really wet.
Yeah, that's shit for sure. Or some
smells fishy.
Rotten fish. Well, time to hit the road again.